What's up, guys? We're in the lab today. Carolyn's here, and we are building the Swag Off-Road. What are we building, Carolyn?
Swag Off-Road bandsaw holder.
Bingo. So this is for the Portaband saw. We're doing the cable saw. Carolyn, if you haven't already realized, is addicted to tools. That's why this shop is a mess.
I like tools.
So we are doing the 6232-20. 6238-20. So when you're buying the table from Swag Off-Road, make sure that you make sure that the numbers on your Portaband match with their table, because they do have a couple variations. So that's what we're doing today. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so it's gonna be a quick install video. We've got everything laid out here on the table. You got your side legs, your main table, you got a couple bolts, some knobs, and then of course the Portaband saw. So nothing too crazy, but we're gonna go ahead and get started. All right, so on step one, you're just gonna go ahead and take the bolts, 5/16 bolts and nuts. You're gonna go ahead and attach both sides on the table, probably flip it upside down, put the two nuts on each side there. All right, so we've got our 3/16 Allen key, and we've got our 1/2 inch on the other side. You can use a ratcheting wrench, whichever you'd like to. But it's gonna be 3/16 for this Allen head and 1/2 inch on the other side. So we're gonna do that in all four corners. All right, so now that the legs are attached, we went ahead and flipped it over. We did scratch it up a little bit. That's okay, it's gonna get plenty of use. So you've got a hole here, hole here, hole here. We're gonna go ahead and Carolyn's gonna go ahead and put that set screw in. And then we are gonna put this nut on the bottom side once we get that just a little bit in. All right, so now the table's built, you put your set screw in it. You're gonna go ahead and grab your Portaband saw, and then you'll see here, there's actually a little air vent. It's actually gonna attach right there, just like that. Then, you're gonna go ahead and grab your washer. You're gonna put it on the knob, and in this hole right here, you're gonna go from the bottom. There we go. And we're gonna, whoop, there you go, bloopers 101. And put that back on. Actually gonna go, let's see, where's he at? There we go. Righty tighty. Let's see if we can get that to get started. There it is.
Nice.
All right. So that is gonna lock the saw in place. All right, guys, so the next step is to do your blade alignment. We haven't put the blades on yet. We're gonna get to that here in a little while. But after that, you do have a actual foot pedal assembly that they give you. However, in order to operate that, you can see here it's an inline unit. You have to either take a clamp, or what they recommend is either a clamp or a Velcro strap. You do have to just go ahead and hold that down like it's got the power, and then your foot pedal is actually gonna give it the power when it needs it. So pretty simple install, guys. I'd say it takes about 15 minutes to do. Shout out to Swag Off-Road for making some quality products. We're gonna be bringing you guys some more videos here soon, but there she is. So here's everything together, blade installed. Go ahead and once you get everything on here, tighten up that set screw. That'll lock this guy into place from side to side movement. You can see here we've got our foot pedal plugged in inline system, little tab here, added our handle here for sliding. So there she is. All right guys, so thanks for joining us today. Again, Swag Off-Road. Carolyn did it 15 minutes by herself. I just kind of spectated, but she's got the Portaband Milwaukee on there. Again, there's a couple different versions. You need an Allen key, you need a 1/2-inch ratcheting wrench probably for this install. So not a lot of stuff needed, but first thing we've got going on, we got more swag stuff. You can see the 20-ton press behind us. We got a couple different dies, finger brakes for that. So look forward to those videos coming soon. Thanks guys.